एक लड़की के बाप, भाई और अंकल ने उसका रेप किया 2 साल तक। माँ ने कहा अपने ही तो है। गर्ल रेप बाय नेबर, गर्ल रेप बाय बस ड्राइवर, girl raped by her own grandfather, girl forced into a shower with her uncle, girl raped and murdered, 4-year-old raped, 85-year-old raped, mother of a child gang raped by 6 in a moving vehicle survives to live a life of shame and sympathy because लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग बेचारी की बेटी को क्या कहेंगे। हमारी कंट्री में when a girl gets raped, we don't wonder कि वो पढ़ाई कैसे करेगी, क्या वो ठीक है। The biggest question is, अब उससे शादी कौन करेगा। चुप हो जाओ, सोसाइटी में जीने लायक नहीं रहेंगे। जीने लायक तो वो सोसाइटी नहीं है जिसमें a rape victim is not eligible for marriage, for love. Shame on you for giving her breasts and her vagina so much importance. Shame on us for never standing up for ourselves. How many girls have been physically abused by a relative? Clearly too many, because my inbox doesn't stop to bleed with your disturbing stories. Raise your voice for women and they'll throw in male sensitivity, false rape cases, cunning women that have destroyed lives of innocent men. For all the men that have been trapped into false allegations, I apologize for your loss. I really do. I do. But I'm just not ready yet to talk about male sensitivity in a world where marital rape is still not a crime. Every day I wake up to rapes I read of, and those that are swept under the carpet by mothers all over our nation because they're conditioned to compromise and hold a family together, regardless of what it may cost them. What's not about to be put at stake is a marriage. Because unwed daughters are a bigger burden than rape daughters. और हमारे कल्चर में तो अपने अपने हैं, चाहे वो बेटी और बीवी के बीच में फर्क क्यों ना भूल जाए। जब तक हम जैसे लोग रोज कुछ बोलेंगे नहीं, तो बाकी लोग कुछ ना कुछ तो बोलेंगे ही ना।